Hello Joing, this is my new purchase px5 4 GB RAM model. Just 3 days ago I received it and I installed 2 days ago. I used special Nissan harness cables that you sent me, and everything I connected correctly, and all the connections are tight. I will show you. And after I installed the head unit, it worked actually for half an hour. Maybe it worked. Everything was okay, but after that sound started to fluctuate. It was going off and coming on, and just like that. And now the sound completely gone, no sound. You can see here the song is playing and no sound. You can check. I will show you radio also. No sound. Just like I said yesterday, 2 days ago, I installed it and it was working for maybe half an hour, maybe 1 hour. It worked. The sound was okay, everything was okay. But after that, sound started to go off and come on. It was going and coming repeatedly, and now sound completely gone. No sound. No sound. No radio sound and no audio sound and no touch screen sound. Nothing. No touch screen sound also. Nothing. Now I will show you the connections, that everything is correct. And you can see my connections. This is special Nissan. This is special Nissan harness coming from here, like this. And this is radio antenna. This is radio. Rear view camera. I installed also back cable. This is for rear view camera, and also GPS is there. This is the connection is okay. It is not slack, it is very tight actually, and this connection also is very tight. Connections are okay, and my car has no factory amplifier. I have no factory amplifier. This is original radios plugs connections. I didn't use them. Radio antenna, and this is the connections. Connections are okay, I think. And no amplifier I have. No sound. This is my model. px5 Android 8. Eight core, 4 GB memory, RAM, and MCU version. Everything is like that. And you have to help me with this problem. Just 2-3 days ago I received it, and I couldn't use it for 1 day. Now it is useless. No sound. Okay, please tell me what will I do. Okay.